What's up, guys? I can't believe what Trump's crypto group just proposed. It's absolutely insane, so let's dive right in and talk about who these people are. You know, it's not every day you hear Trump and crypto in the same sentence, right? But here we are, and it's wild. So this Trump crypto group, they're like this team of finance wizards who've got Trump's ear. They're not official government people, but they're making waves in the digital finance world. And let me tell you, their proposals are crazy ambitious. They're talking about stuff that could change how we all use money like tomorrow. It's mind-blowing, guys. Now, let's get into these proposals because they're nuts. We're talking about ideas that could make crypto as easy to use as cash. They want to streamline regulations, make it simpler for businesses to use digital currencies. One of their craziest ideas? They're proposing a national digital currency backed by the government. Can you imagine? It's like Bitcoin, but with Uncle Sam's stamp of approval. They're also talking about tax incentives for crypto businesses and a simplified regulatory framework. This could mean easier crypto transactions, more innovation, and potentially more money in your pocket. But here's the thing, guys. This is just the beginning. We don't know how regulators will react or if these proposals will become reality. But if they do, it could be huge for digital finance. So keep your eyes peeled and your crypto wallets ready. And hey, if you found this info helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more daily finance news. Until next time, stay savvy with your money.